Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to show you how to add motion to your photos. So I'm in Design Beast, my favorite graphic design program. Underneath this video is a link to it. And so I log into Design Beast and I go to Motion Photos. And I click on Live Motion Photos, and it's going to give you two options. You can upload your own image or use one of their stock photos. I'm going to use one of their stock photos. So I'm going to go to Moon. And let's see what we got here. Let's take this one. Looks interesting. I'm going to free crop it, meaning I can have the entire picture if I want, which is what I want to do here. And we're going to proceed. Now, I want this kid on the moon to stay in one place, all right? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this all around him. And if you need to move this, you move like that. Keep going. Because there's certain parts of your image that you're going to want to stay still, right? So you got to take care of that first. Okay. And let's say I want the stars to stay too. Okay. I'm just going to start with these so you can see why I did that. So you're going to then click for Draw Motion. Now, I want the water to go this way. Okay. And let's see what happens just so far, just doing that. Okay. That's kind of cool, right? Now, let's say I want some of that motion going here too. See what that does? Not loving that. So we're going to take this one out and just, it's interesting. Again, not sure if I love it or not, but what you will notice, let me just do this one more time here. What you'll notice is this doesn't move. That stays the same. Now, if I go ahead and do this, oops, click it again. What happens? See, these start moving. Now, maybe you like that, maybe you don't, but it's good to know what you're doing here, what's happening when you do these things. So let's take this out. Again, let's look at it. I love this part here. I think that's just so cool. This part up here, I'm just not sure. So let's take this out, and run it again. Let's add another here. What does that do? What if do this? And as you can see, you can just play around with this until you get the effect that you want. Most important thing to remember is just put your little circles around what you want to stay in one place, and then put the red arrows where you want the movement. Oh, let me show you one more thing with this design tool that a lot of others don't have. So they have other special effects that you can do. So if you wanted it to be snowing in here as well, look at that. Isn't that cool? Anyway, that's how this design tool works. It's pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like every tool that does this, you have to play around with it. You got to tweak a little bit. You got to see what works for you, what doesn't work for you. But for me, I'm really loving what we came up with. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.